यस वी शुड स्टार्ट नाउ। क्या चाहिए, क्या पढ़ना है? फिजिक्स थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करा दूं इफ यू डोंट माइंड, फिर मैथ पे आते हैं। थोड़ा सा रिवीजन करते हैं हम लोग। फिजिक्स चेंज ऑफ सब्जेक्ट। सपोज दिस इज ग्राउंड, ठीक है? दिस इज ग्राउंड। इज इट विजिबल टू यू व्हाट आई एम राइटिंग? मेरी फ्रंट लाइट इज देयर. Ink is gone. Fent. I have to purchase new pens, but I won't get time. So today somehow manage the class. Okay. So what happens? Ki here is an object, right? From the height h. This object is at height h from the ground. H. Height of object from ground. Fine. So when an object is at maximum height, maximum height, then V is equal to 0, right? So kinetic energy is 0 and maximum height, so potential energy is maximum. Potential energy is mgh, that is maximum, right? And by law of conservation of mass, you know that by law of conservation of mass, by law of conservation of mass, by law of conservation of energy, right? Potential energy plus kinetic energy is equal to constant, right? So here kinetic energy is 0, potential energy is maximum, so total energy, this is point A, right? So total energy is potential energy plus kinetic energy, that is equal to mgh plus 0 is equal to mgh, right? This is the total energy at point A, this point A. And when it is क्या T total energy, अब ये ऑब्जेक्ट when ऑब्जेक्ट starts falling down, तो उस समय उसका U is 0. Just before start falling down, U is 0, and object is falling and coming to this point B. This is point B. So it comes down x. X displacement is there. Vertically, x height, it comes down. Right? So what will be the height of B from ground? What will be the height of B from ground? That will be total was h minus x. This will be h minus x. Right? So at this point, potential energy will be mg into h minus x, right? Height is h minus x. And if we talk at point B, at point B, kinetic energy. So we have, the third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square minus 2as, right? When it is coming down, then we will take plus. Since it is coming down, so it will be in plus. And as you told that u is equal to 0. So here it is v square is equal to 0 plus 2gx. G is acceleration due to gravity. When vertical movement is there, then A is equal to G, A is equal to G, and H is equal to displacement, vertical displacement. So it is coming down x height. So we have taken v square is equal to 2gx, right? Now what you will do, you bring this 2 on this side. So it becomes 1 by 2 v square is equal to gx. Fine. Now you know what is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, kinetic energy is equal to half m v square, which can be written as m into half v square. And if I write m into half v square means gx. So if I write here gx, so it becomes mgx. Fine. Now total energy will be potential energy plus kinetic energy, that is equal to this is mgx में mg minus mgx plus mgx, right? So these two plus minus will cancel out and you get total energy mgh, right? So at point B, total energy is mgh. At point A it was mgh, at point B it is mgh. And when it hits the ground, just before hitting the ground, this is point C. At point C, what happens? That H is equal to 0. H is equal to 0. So potential energy is equal to 0. Right? And so displacement is x is equal to h. Right? Because it is coming from here to here. Now displacement x is equal to h. So now we can write half v square is equal to gh, right? So when we put it, so kinetic energy will be m into half v square, that is equal to mgh. Now total energy at point C, total energy at point C point C is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy is equal to 0 plus mgh is equal to mgh, right? So you just find out कि when an object is falling vertically downwards from a maximum height h, then at every point of moment, at every point, kinetic total energy remains same, right? Did you understand this? Okay. Should I rub this? Mm-hmm. Please, please, don't screenshot. Okay. You have taken my picture also? Okay. It's a copyright of mine, and that's why my photo should be there. चलो कोई बात नहीं, भूल गई तो रहने दे यार। एक चीज और है, एक छोटी सी चीज और बताना चाहूंगा। अच्छा इधर आओ। You have heard about pendulum like this? This is a pendulum, right? Very nice. So I suppose it comes here, right? Like this. When it oscillates, it goes like this, and after that, it reaches to this position, right? This is. Now, Mama, I was having green ink here. कहाँ गया? Mama, green ink यहाँ रखा था, कहाँ गया? Green ink रखी थी यहाँ. नहीं, चले छोड़. तो मेरा कहना ये था कि ये ऐसे एक्चुअली होता क्या है, जब आप इसको डिस्प्लेस करते हो, दिस इज द मीन पोजीशन, दिस इज मीन पोजीशन, फाइन. व्हेन इट इज मीन पोजीशन, सो ये इधर की तरफ, व्हेन इट विल मूव ऑन दिस साइड, सो इट गो मैक्सिमम, and then it comes back to means position again, and then it goes towards this side maximum, and then it comes back to the initial position. This is one oscillation, right? So अगर हम देखें तो अगर ये इसका मीन पोजीशन है, ठीक है, ये सो ये इसका ग्राउंड लेवल मान लेते हैं हम. तो यहां से यहां तक क्या हुआ, ये इसकी हाइट होगी, राइट? मैक्सिमम हाइट. So at this point, height is maximum. Height is maximum. So potential energy is maximum, right? Is equal to mgh. And here V is equal to 0. When it reaches to maximum height, then final velocity will be zero. In that case, kinetic energy is equal to zero, right? So total energy is equal to mgh, fine. Total energy is mgh. Now what happens when it reaches to mean position? When it reaches to mean position, then what happens? H is equal to zero, so potential energy is zero. Potential energy is zero. And kinetic energy is equal to m into half v square, so it becomes mgh. So here total energy again is mgh, right? So when it again reaches to this maximum height, so when it reaches to maximum height, this is h, it is maximum height, maximum height. So potential energy is equal to mgh, kinetic energy is equal to zero. So total energy is equal to mgh plus zero is equal to mgh. Get it? So during the oscillation, again change in kinetic energy and potential energy, but total energy remains same, right? So when an object is moving, we can say that when an object is moving, either it is vibrating about a mean position or it is moving vertically. So in all those conditions, sum of total energy remains constant and energy changes into potential energy converts into kinetic energy and kinetic energy converts into potential energy. This is the very concept we have, right? Okay, this much. Now we should come to mathematics. Okay, there is gone. Yeah. That question paper only. Yeah, yeah. ठीक है. ये तो हमने कर लिया था. Now question number 8 we have in that. Should I rub this? I hope I should. Huh? Okay. Light. I know that. I know that. Ink is not too dark. You take the picture and then when you will highlight it, when you expand that, then you will be able to understand. Done. Thank you. Now we are going to solve question number 8. Question is that 4x minus 1, 4x minus 19 4x minus 19 is less than 3x upon 5. 3x upon 5 minus 2 less than equal to minus 2 upon 5 plus 6 plus x. So where x belongs to real number. X belongs to real number, right? So for solving this inequation, first we will take these two, that is 4x minus 19 less than 3x upon 5 minus 2, right? So transposing 19 to this side and transposing 19 to this side. We get 4x less than 3x plus 5 plus 19 minus 2. Is it visible? Little bit. Okay. So 4x less than 3 plus 17. Right? Now what we can do, we transpose this on this side. So 4x minus 3x upon 5 less than 17. Okay. So we will take 5 as an LCM. 20x minus 3x less than 17, right? So it is 17x upon 5 less than 17. Now both sides multiplying by 5 here and here. So this 5 and 5 is gone and you get 17x less than 17 into 5, right? Now what we will do, this 17 and 17 is cancelled out, both sides dividing by 17, this 17 and 17 is gone. So lastly we get x is less than 5, right? This is. Now we will take another, now we will take this. in consideration. So this is 3x upon 5 minus 2 less than equal to minus 2 upon 5 plus x. So now what we do, we transpose this x on this side and minus 2 on this side, right? So it becomes 3x upon 5 minus x is less than equal to 2 minus 2 upon 5, right? Now we have taken as a common 5, so it becomes, there I did correct, okay, yes, right. So here it becomes 3x minus 5x less than equal to, here also we have taken 5 as a common, 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 2. Is it? What will be the next then? Do you have any idea? Mhm. Very good. This 5 and this 5 is cancelled out. This is, we get 2x is less than or equal to 8, right? No, minus 2x. I'm very sorry. This is minus 2x. So when we divide it by minus 2 and minus 2, both sides, yes, so this is cancelled out. This becomes 4. So x is greater than or equal to minus 4, right? This minus goes up. So now we get x is equal, now we have x is greater than or equal to minus 4, right? So at last we get equation that is x is greater than or equal to minus 4 and x is less than 5. This is the equation we get, right? If we have to express this on the number line, I was expecting the things like this. So, oh my god, solutions are really fine. Solution set is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. हाँ रियल नंबर, नहीं नहीं रियल नंबर में ऑल नंबर्स आर पॉसिबल, ऑल कम्स माइनस प्लस रियल नंबर इज all numbers will be there. Real number, do you understand what is real number? Real number is collection of what? Of irrational and rational. Any number in the universe is a real number. Getting? Any number in the universe is a real number. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will be. If you represent this on the number line, So it will be this is my number line. Here we have 0. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. Here we will go 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4. Fine. So what you will do, it is very interesting. X is greater than or equal to -4. So we will drag here, right? It will be dragged. And after that, line will start from here. It's real number. 5 will also there. 5 will also. नहीं, real number है, that's why 5 will be there. X is less than 5. Okay, don't take it. हाँ, लेकिन solution set में 5 will be there. No, 5 not there. नहीं तो solution set में we will take 5. 5 will be. नहीं, मैं समझ रहा हूँ. I get confused only. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 5 लिख दिया, right? Then we will take. Now on number line it will go up to -5. Sorry, 5. And this line will go. This line will go like this. This is here, and it is having circle like this. I hope you understand. Good. This question we have done. Yeah. So which question you like to do? Mean? Should I rub this? Okay. Question number 8 or 2. Question number 8, part 2. So that is, there is class interval, class. There is a table class, and this is class, right? So classes are 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, else 40 to 50, 40 to 50. Fine. So class mark that will be 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Done. Very nice. Now we have frequency. This is called xi, and now we have frequency. That is fi. So frequency is 5, 18, 15, 5, 18, 15, and P and 6, right? This is frequency. So as we know, it is given here that mean is 25. Mean is 25. ठीक है? Mean is 25. Now fi xi, this is 25, this is 15 8 15 8 120, 0, 12 carry, 15 बन जाए 15 and 12 27, 270. So this is 270, 15 5 15 5 75, 5 7 carry, 15 2 30, and 7 37. Okay? Now this is 35p, and this is 6 5 33, 6 4 24, and 3 27, right? So summation of fi is equal to 15 and 15, 20, 20 and 24 is 44. So it becomes 44p. Is it? I have added, this is 5 and 15, 20, and 18 and 6 is 24. So 20 and 24 becomes 44. P is there, plus P. Right? Now, can you add this? When we add these 25, it becomes better है, we should use scientific device because 25 plus 270 plus 375 plus 270, 940. 25, 270, 375 and 270. It is 940. Right. So summation of Fi xi is equal to 940 plus 35p. Fine. Now you know mean x bar is equal to summation of Fi xi upon summation of Fi. And here it is given you 25 is equal to 940 plus 35p upon 44 plus p. Fine. So we will cross multiply 25 fours are 100, 10, 0, 1100 plus 25p is equal to 940 plus 35p. Right? Now bring this 25p on this side and 940 on other side. So we get 1100 minus 940 is equal to 35p minus 25p. Get it? So what will be your answer? 1100 minus 940. This is 0, 1 carry. Okay, 0. 10 minus 4 becomes 6. 10 minus 160. Is it? So, what is your answer? Sometimes behaving like a small kid. 10p is equal to 160. Get it? So p is equal to 60. Getting? So this is it is asking. To cross check it, it is 16. So it is 44 plus 16 if I do. 44 plus 16 I do. I get 60. Right? And 60. Fine. And if I do here 35 into 16, 35 35 into 16, 560. So 940 plus 560 560. 0, 1500, right? 1500. So mean will be 1500 upon 60. Yes, 6 twos are 12, 3 6 fives are 30, 25. So it means here, and here it is correct, right? So it means value of P is correct here. I hope you understand this much. You have done? You have done? You have done, not done. Just listening. Still you are doing? Okay, when you finish it, tell me.